morning, traders. This morning I wanted to show you similarities and identical formations we're witnessing on S&P day trading chart right now and FedEx. Here's FedEx, and where FedEx collapsed from is key Fibonacci resistance, decision point 2. In the course you learned that this is a key target on your trade. There is a very good reason why FedEx finding support. Is there is a problem in this area? Of course. Let's take a look and let's see why. FedEx reached the end of the minor trend. FedEx sitting at the end of the minor trend and struggling between ultimate support and ultimate resistance for the last 2 months. This level is out, FedEx will go into free fall. But as long as this support is respected, as you witnessed this morning on day trading chart on S&P, cannot short near. And that's the dance on FedEx. Both trends are minor. Price dancing between ultimate support and ultimate resistance. This is what S&P is doing this morning. This is a level that's been identified for the last few days. This is ultimate Fibonacci resistance, where market collapsed from since yesterday Asian session. This morning I warned you, shorts are not an option. Ultimate bright pink line near, never ever short near. Identical structure as on FedEx. Every single thing you learn in the course has exact same formula. And that's exact same dance on Amazon weekly. Look at that. Amazon sitting very, very pretty at the end of minor trend. Identical formula as on FedEx and S&P. An exact same thing currently happening on Euro daily. Prices dancing between this support where Euro been frozen since January 2018 and currently this resistance. Exact same place where Euro finding selling pressure. Identical formula on all three instruments. FedEx, Amazon Euro, and S&P daily in front of you this morning. Once you master the method, all you have to do is identify what you want to trade. Oil this morning reminded you what we will be dealing with yesterday morning. Exact same Fibonacci levels present in front of you for weeks. Oil in March collapsed from this ultimate Fibonacci resistance. Remember this? Same place as on FedEx, same place as S&P, same place as Euro. Remember this? Oil news last week? Trend inception reversal zone is present. Shorts not an option. What did you see has happened? As recorded on live video. Buyers stepped in as expected until this Fibonacci resistance. So, if oil tomorrow morning dancing anywhere near here, bias is bearish. If oil is dancing at this Fibonacci support, bias is bullish. All you're witnessing in front of you each and every day has exact same formula, exact same strategy, exact same proprietary Fibonacci levels. What you will choose to trade, absolutely up to you. You want to day trade, why not? You want to position trade, enjoy. Every single trader has different account size, different risk management, different mentality. And what S&P is doing right now on 1-minute chart, 3-minute chart, 4, 5-minute chart is ultimate reminder as we're monitoring this resistance. Exact same place where FedEx and Euro finding selling pressure from. An exact same reminder why I warned you since early this morning, shorts are not an option. Rules are met, take a trade. The only difference, if you choose to trade and hold position, few minutes, few hours, few days or few weeks. Your choice. Only you know your personal circumstances, your account size, risk management that appropriate for you makes you unique. Students in the course From Beginner to Hedge Fund Trader, trading the method in US and globally. Identical formula in front of you daily, and tomorrow morning on Oil News. So, hedge fund manager who is in the course right now asking me a question about TLT. Let's look on TLT. TLT is ETFs on bonds. What is it, Joseph? What is TLT? Please remind us. ETF on bonds. So this is where TLT collapsed from last year. Everyone seeing this? In the course you learned that this is key target on your trade. Exact same place where oil collapsed from on hourly. Exact same place where S&P heading to next. This is where bonds ETF is now. Bonds ETF collapsed from decision point 2 until this decision point 2. This is where bonds ETF sitting very, very pretty at this morning. Ultimate Fibonacci support. As you witnessed the exact same action on S&P 1-minute chart. What is the difference? You only need few $1,000s to trade S&P mini futures, one lot. On TLT weekly, you need drastically larger account. Which is what Joseph trades. What you trade, only you know. You're trading weekly chart, you're holding position for weeks, potentially months, maybe years. Exact same formula you're witnessing in front of you on day trading chart every day. This level identified days in advance. Respect it next. And just to remind you where buyers came from on S&P yesterday morning. Do you remember where from? This is where our buyers was long. Exact same decision point too. This is S&P chart from the trading room from last week. All identified days in advance. So, multiple times in a trading room, we're dealing with this very important area. So, if you know the rules, take a trade. So if you would like to join us in the course, I look forward to working with you. And pretty please view the videos on the website, review the information under Learn. And remember, course just started. You can join us at any time. All classes are live, modules only supplemental. Group course 8 weeks, private mentoring 16 includes all group classes. View the videos, listen to the graduates, as that's the key. As graduates of the course trading various instruments, various time frames. Any questions for me? Never hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. So here we go, traders. Extremely important moment on S&P. We stayed out through massive pain. We stayed out through massive torture. Very important level in front of you. 2663.75. On this trade, decision point 1, the end of the minor trend, few ticks prior. Every single trade, different stop, different target. Price is blasting through this level. Bullish rally will be unstoppable. And please remember to never ignore decision point 2, which is what we discussed this entire morning. Price is struggling, as we discussed with students. Massive obstacles in a play. This is very important and very crucial moment. Price is not blasting through. Bad news. This is all that there is. Knowledgeable trader knows how to monitor this morning and what to pay attention to. The famous bright pink line that was ultimate support, now ultimate resistance. Now we're dealing with decision point 1 to the upside, which was ultimate brick wall this morning. Clear on that? Only Fibonacci will give you this much accuracy. Nothing else ever will. Look at that, quite the pickle. Level identified for days in a play in front of you right now. So, this is a very important moment. Once again, ultimate Fibonacci support that's been present since yesterday market close. And this is ultimate reminder of Fibonacci resistance. So, bright pink line to the downside to the tick, bright pink line to the upside to the tick. I convert every single trade chart to 1-minute chart on purpose, so you can see the accuracy instantly. Nothing less, nothing more. And that's what we dealt with this morning. Buyers stepping in again is a beautiful thing. There's been ultimate decision point today. Ultimate reminder. Yesterday we dealt with ultimate support. This morning we're closing room with ultimate resistance. This level been identified days in advance. Present in front of you right now. S&P collapsed from this level 12 points. Knowledgeable trader who also knows this is not just your little Fibonacci resistance. This is also institutional level that I warned you for the previous hour was a problem. This morning we are extremely high. For the last hour, price reminded you where ultimate support and ultimate resistance is a channel when it comes to day trading, no matter what chart you trade. But exact same formula applies to any instrument you will choose to trade. So thank you so much for your time. I wish you a fantastic afternoon. Market will test you to the core of your knowledge each and every day. And each and every day trading conditions will change. Fibonacci strategies will remain the same. Quicker you will remove all the indicators from your charts and you start paying attention to pure price and Fibonacci, more knowledgeable and powerful trader you will become. We are at historical levels, traders. Volatility will become only stronger and more powerful. Decision-making process and execution will need to be much more superior than year before. So, if you ever would like to join us, never hesitate to review the information on the website and feel free to call or email me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Tomorrow, Oil News Day, should be extremely interesting day. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye bye.